Hello guys, TechGuy here, and in this video, let's unbox and review the F&D W5 budget Bluetooth speaker. So let's get started. The F&D W5 speaker is priced at 1100 Indian rupees on the Amazon India website. You can check out the link in the description. Now talking about the unboxing experience, the F&D W5 comes in this red box. Onto the top it says Bluetooth 4.0 and Sdcard Compatible. To the back it has some key features written which you can read out by pausing the video. Now in the box you get the Bluetooth speaker itself along with the micro USB cable to charge the speaker and a user manual. Now talking about the speaker is entirely made out of plastic, but the sides and the back are made out of soft rubberized material, so it feels nice in the hand. Also the speaker is very compact in size. Now let's take a look at the physical overview of the speaker. On the top you will find the power button, the play pause and the volume buttons, and a button to take or end calls. To the side it has the auxiliary port, the micro SD card slot along with the charging port, and it also has an LED light which shows whether your speaker is charged or not. Now the pairing process of the speaker is very easy. Just hold on the power button for some time until the blue light starts blinking, and now you are good to go. Now let's talk about the sound quality of the speaker. The sound quality of the speaker is good at its price point. It has some sort of bass which you can feel while listening to the music. Over 90% of volume it starts a little bit of distortion, but below that it sounds very good. It is adequately loud for its small size. Now talking about the battery life of the speaker, the battery life of the speaker is very good. It easily gives you 4 to 5 hours of playback time on 80% of volume with full charge. So that is a nice thing. Now let's talk about my final verdict on this speaker. For its price, the speaker is a good deal, although it would have been a steal if it was priced at around 700 Indian rupees. But for its balanced sound and compact size, it is totally bearable at 1100 Indian rupees. So guys, this was my unboxing and review of the F&D W5 Bluetooth speaker. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such videos. Bye bye.